Question number 13. This is also the vector case, no? Vector case. Question number 13 also is vector case. Question number 13. There is a small force, there is a large force. Okay. And the resultant force, this is a small force F1, this is the largest force F2. Okay. And sum of the value is F1 plus F2 equal 18 newtons. And also the resultant of these two vectors act as 90 degree to the small one. So the resultant Fr. Okay, this is the case. So if we draw this one, if we draw this one, F1 force and next force F2 force like this in triangle, so we can draw starting point and ending point. This force is the resultant one. Okay, if you use Pythagorean theorem, we know F2 squared equal F1 squared plus Fr squared. Okay, this is the case. The question asks from us magnitude's value. If the resultant is 90 degree with the small force, then their magnitudes are. So the F1 how much and F2 is how much, like that, no? Yes. Okay, how can we solve this one? So question is given the resultant value. Resultant value is 12 squared. So the we don't know the F1 squared, and we need to find F2 squared. So we know F1 plus F2 equal 18. So I use instead of F2, F1 minus 18. F2 equal F1 minus 18. No? So F1 minus 18 squared equal F1 squared plus 12 squared. F1 squared minus 36 F1 plus 18 squared. This one is the case. Okay. Now then F1 squared plus 12 squared. Okay. Now how can we solve this one? Okay. F1 31 18 squared. So we can find. Okay. If we can cut this one, no? So the minus 36 X1 and so if I 13 squared minus 12 squared equal 36 F1. So the F1 equal 18 squared. 18 squared is like how much? 18 squared 325, no? 324 minus 144 divided by 36. How much? F1. How much? What is the value of F1 force? What is the value? F1 is 5 newtons. 5 newtons. So the F1 is 5 newtons. So we can easily find F1 is 5 newton. So the F2 is 13, no? 13 newtons using these equations. F1 is 5 newton and F2 is 13 newton. So the result magnitudes are 13 and 5. Answer 2. Answer 2. Answer 2. Question number 13. Answer 2.